start. We have Whistle Wizard, Sri Siv Prasad Garu. He is born with a wonderful talent only very few people in the world possess. Having a capability or a talent of music itself is very rare. In the music, people sing or play instruments. But there is Mr. Siva Prasad uses only his whistle to create music spanning from Carnatic to classical to contemporary to Hindustani to Western. He performed about 11,000 concerts almost across the globe. And he created close to 70 albums. When it comes to January 1st, every new year, I don't know when he started, Ravindra Bharati in Hyderabad is booked for his concert for a houseful presentation. As long as the legend Padma Vibhushan Balamurali Krishna Garu was alive, he very gracefully accompanied his Shishya Siva Prasad, and he used to introduce, I am Balamurali and Siva Prasad is Gala Murali. So he creates out of the whistle, and I feel it is a privilege to introduce the Whistle Wizard Siva Prasad Garu to the august audience of this evening's Rotary Club of Silicon Andhra. Siva Prasad Garu.
Namaskaram.
Please start.
Namaskaram to everybody. I'm very happy to present this wonderful concert today morning as advised by our Silicon Andhra founder and chairman, Sri Anand Garu. First, I will start with the Carnatic style of music, 3/4 kirtanas, and as advised by Sri Anand Garu, I will exhibit the skill of the whistling to different parts of the songs and kirtanas. So I will start with the Ganesh invocation, very popular. Muthuswami Dikshatar's composition, Hamsadhani Raga, Aditala, Vatapi Ganapati Bhaja. I will just render some of the Pallavis and Anapallavis only because of the time that we This was Muthuswami Dikshithar's Vatavigana. Next, I will switch over to the Tyagaraja's Pancharatna Kirtana, wonderful. Endro Mahan Bhavan Pallavi. Then I will sing one Kadana Kutuhala Ragam, Patna Subramanya Iyer Kirtana, Raghuvansa Sudhamvadi. Uh, then my mentor and my guru, Dr. Balamurali Krishna, teach me one beautiful Kahar Priya, Tyagaraja Swami's Kirtana, Divinam Sankirtana. It's called Pahi Rama, Rama Enachu, Bhajana Seyave. This is the line. So you please watch how I will rendering the words Pahi Rama, Rama Enachu, Bhajana Seyave.
Sivaprasad garu,
Chapel.
here is a request from somebody, possible Shambho Shiva Shambho.
Hope it is, I think it is Bosam.
Yeah, Bhosham.
Sure.
And before you start, I like to recognize the presence of Chris Miller and Tina. Thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you. Afterwards, I will entertain some Western tunes also. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. Then I want to exhibit the skill of the whistling. At the beginning stage, my, as I told my mentor, one of Prabhakar Rao, he is from my native place, Bapatla, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. In those days, I think in 1980, he took me to all the great musicians of India and to find out there is any chance to convert into a art form, whistling art form, and he wants to give their advice. But unfortunately, all the masters and the gurus and the vidwans are rejected me because they told, who will entertain this whistle music? What is this whistle? Whistle is a very bad word itself. So my mentor and myself very much disappointed, and he told me and he advised me, there is only one person we can catch a hold of him. He is none other than our Dain of Carnatic music, Dr. Balamurali Krishna. He is the right person to advise us. Let we will go together. So one day we went and met Guruji, and my mentor advised me to sing one song of his favorite. So that song is in Chakravaka Raga, Ahir Bhairavi, Hebare Ramarasam. This was Sadasiva Brahmendra Kirtana. after this, Guruji took me as a special artist, and I'm very lucky and blessed by Guruji, Dr. Balamurali Krishna. I'm proud to say I'm the student of my Guruji. This
But-
was the background of the.
But we all feel Balamuraligar has many disciples, but he calls everybody accompaniments. But Shivaprasad Garu and D.V. Mohan Krishna Garu, they call him as his successors. He makes them sit in the same line with him and had several concerts, and I was fortunate to witness some of them. And Shivaprasad Garu, one of your fans says you have something Shivaya, Parameshwaraya, Shashishekharaya. So, looks like he's a big fan of you and is requesting if you could do that.
I'm not planning.
Okay.
Some of the one or two Annamacharya I can render.
Okay.
And then we will switch over to the Western and this thing.
Okay.
This Annamacharya song is our great director and actor, Padma Shri Vishwanath Garu, took this song in the film. So I thought everybody will enjoy this. Saranu Saranu Surendra Sannuta Saranu Sri Sati Vallabha Saranu Rakshasa Garva Samhara Sarana Venkatanayaka. This was the Annamacharya Kruti. So many people asked me that they're surprised also how Balamurali are teaching vocal, and he also is whistler, like that they are questioning. But I told him, Balamurali garu, I learned actually how to pronounce the literature of the great Vidwans, great composers. For example, I can show the difference of the that Guruji is specialized and that ordinary people. Suppose same this line I can render. Saranu Saranu Surendra Sannuta. Only one line. You can try. Now you see the literature. See this line. Vinnapamu Vinavaya Tirupati Venkatachalanayaka. One more about the skill I want to show in Tyagaraja's Kirtana. Rama ni samanamevaru. Only one line. You just observe and see how many times in a different manner that line was chanting. First, all the musicians are rendering Samanamavar. Then Ni Samanamavar. Then Rama Ni Samanamavar. Like that I learned. Please observe. This is the strength and the power of the Carnatic music, I believe.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you. Now, as you told, I have visited so many countries and this thing, that thing. Once, our late Prime Minister, Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao garu, when he was the External Affairs Minister in 1988, there is a very big international festival called Festival of India in Moscow, then in USSR, and Gorbachev is the president. Then I was selected among the 500 artists, right from M.S. Subbulakshmi garu and from the Hyderabad Lambadi artist, folk artist. In that gathering, in that group, I am also selected as a special artist for the unique skill. Then we went through Sri Narasimha Rao garu, and then I traveled from one republic to another republic. I was allotted to Georgia Republic and Armenian Republic. I'm traveling in the flight. I have a habit, when I was free, I used to always humming the whistling. Like this, I'm always whistling. So one of the, I don't know, he is also artist. In that flight, he is sitting beside me and he observed. His name was Mr. Nicola. He is a guitar artist, and he immediately played his guitar one Georgian Republic famous tune. So immediately I imitated that tune. So without language, see the miracle. One of our interpreter, she joined and she advised me what he wants from me. and it seems he is desired to perform together on that evening with this Republic tune. So I requested him just to play 1 or 2 times so that I can whistle the same. So finally we can do that. So this is the Republic tune. Then you won't believe thousands of audience are there. They are clapping like anything and standing ovation. That I am remembering what is, our beloved Satya Sai Baba Garu sang one song synchronized to Western music in those days only. With a beautiful message, you won't believe. The lines are like this: love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food, my life is my message, expansion is my life. No season for love, no reason for love, no birth, no death. Prema, Satya, Ananda, Dharma, Shanti, Ananda, Shirdi Sai, Satya Sai, Prema Sai, Jai Jai, Shirdi Baba, Satya Baba, Prema Baba, Jai Jai. This was the song. This was very popular throughout the world. Just I want to show this song. Love is my form. See, all the Western notes are coming. See the miracle. This was composed in the 60s or 50s, I think. Then one of our great Carnatic Vagaikara musician called Muttaya Bhagavatar, he composed one beautiful English song. And this was later popularized by our Madurai Manayar Garu. This is called only English note. These all Western gamakas and notes are coming. See, just I will this thing. Gama gari gapa jigasa. This was called in those days very popular as English tune.
Shivaprasad garu, we are at the grand finale. Before we go to the mantra pushpam,
Yeah.
I would like to thank you everyone. As you all know, the global pandemic COVID-19 is creating a havoc across the world, and especially the poor people are being hit very badly. In Indian news media, you say everybody is waiting for the Sanjeevani, the vaccine. They are calling the vaccine, just like yesterday was Hanuman Jayanti, and people are praying that we should get the Sanjeevani for a vaccine for the COVID. Till then, we need to help the people. In rural areas, people are already poor, and this COVID hit almost every profession, the people who go out and work. All the laborers were very badly hit. So there are quite a few people asked us and also said that in June the monsoon season starts, and that is the seasonal time for in India. A lot of people get sick. So we have the Sanjeevani Hospital in Kuchipudi village. After talking to the doctors and local people, they're asking for us to provide a free health care. It means doctor consultation, blood test, X-ray, ECG, dressing, and medicines for a couple of weeks. All these. So for us to provide, we looked at it, all the metrics. On an average, it costs about $10. So we have set a goal. We would like to treat about 100 patients a day for the next 100 days. Once we start, about 10,000 patients. So we are going to reach out through our fellow Rotarians across the district, just to sponsor $10, donate $10 and sponsor a healthcare for one below poverty line patient. If anybody does about 100 patients, let's say Rotary Club of Palo Alto does 100 patients $1,000, we will have that day is dedicated to the Rotary Club of Palo Alto. And or if an individual donates $1,000, we will put their name on the screen into them, and we would share the list of the patients that are treated on that day. So we, in this time, a lot of people are helping, providing food and other things. So we want to give the health, which we are good at. We have excellent doctors and infrastructure to provide this outpatient care. We will be sharing more and more details as we progress on this one. And you could contact Priya Garu, Vani Garu, Jyoti Garu, myself, Madhuri Garu, anybody who would like, you need more details. And as you know, all these donations are tax deductible. So let us give the gift of health to those people who are suffering already. Let's alleviate. So with those words, let us, please feel free to share your Spandana response to Sri Shiva Prasad Garu thing in the chat box, which we will share. And with that, once again, thank you, Shiva Prasad Garu. Grand finale.
Thank you so much for giving the wonderful opportunity one more time. I remember I visited US in 2004 and under the banner of Silicon Andhra. I rendered my concert on the auspicious of the Yugadi Day, I remember. So again, you are invited. I'm very much thankful. And before rendering the Mantra Pushpa, I want to pronounce my Guruji, Dr. Balamurali Krishna, and my all the well-wishers and the music lovers. So, with all your good wishes and blessings, I am concluding today's concert with Mantra Pushpa.
Thank you, Shiva Prasad Garu.